took all the ringer bolts, there's 18 altogether, to separate the crankcase, and I'm going to place them in the card to give you some idea where they go next time, if they go back together. And hidden one under the sump plug. I know where that one goes. It's the cleanest one of the lot.
There's 9 of those.
And 9 of the others.
9 of the others, but we've stolen 2 for another engine at some point.
Give me a rough idea where they're going.
I remember doing this for the side casing on the on Ollie, because they were all similar size, well, same size heads, but they were all different lengths. So it's handy way of keeping tabs. Save a bit of time when they go back together.
If it goes back together.
Well, yeah, if you're just using it for parts, you've got a spare set of bolts. Is that them all? 1, 2,
Nobody's there.
3, 4, 5, 6. Lost count.
It's good to me.
Yeah, 16 there, and there's meant to be 18. We'd borrowed 2 for another engine before. So that's right.
Right, I've got all the bolts out. As far as I can see, there's nothing else holding it together. The 2 halves are just split horizontally. The engine's upside down. So I'm just going to put a bit of wood on here, see if anything moves. Oh, that was easier than I thought. I've loosened the casings off, but I've made it more stable by putting it horizontal. Never actually had a motorbike engine to be this far down, so it's a new one on me. So I'll see if we can get the stuck in the back end a bit. Stuck in that rail, let me see it.
So that's held together with like a gasket,
Probably holding a bond or something like that.
Rather than a paper.
So we've got the seals. These probably have to be changed.
I think we've got some of those actually. I've got a few.
It's a kickstart mechanism, I think. All the gears look good.
Looks really clean.
Putting these top of the engine, I should say the bottom of the engine.
There's some.
Just a bit dirty, but we've any muck in the engine's going to be end up at the bottom anyway.
And is that a little plate there for...
Just like a baffle plate, stop the oil swirling about too much.
Right.
There's bits of rust, I think, off the crankshaft
Oh,
webs.
there's another of those there.
Rust on the crankshaft.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
It has been stood for 30 odd years.
Just realised four main bearings. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're really smooth.
There's just one locating dowel, is there?
There's one there as well.
On one other end. Right.
That's the crankshaft with the conrods. They're a bit rusty, but the bearings feel fine.
I can't hear any noise on them.
They locate into these locating dowels. One hole's for the dowel, one hole's for the oil wear.
All right.
The end one hasn't got oil wear. So I think that'll probably clean up. Gear lever shaft seal, kickstart shaft, that's a kicking the engine over. It's located, the spring's located in this slot here. Make a mental note of that.